Catherine here. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. I'm just going to do a quick haul video slash unboxing of my October Kitaholics Kit. So I've got a lot of stuff here, so I'll move through relatively quickly. I'll just move this off to the side. I picked up quite a few sort of sale items that I'd been eyeing off, and yeah, thought I'd add to my kit, save on postage and add to my kit, which is awesome. So this, these individual stamps are just the memory planner stamps from American Crafts. And I just thought it was an easy way to maybe add to my project life. I don't have individual kind of month stamps, so I thought that might be a good little purchase. And I think it was like, $3 or $4. So that was good. I saw these, wood pieces or chipboard pieces, and I'm about to do a Christmas Happy Mail, so I thought that would be really handy to add to the things that I'm doing, because I don't have a lot of Christmas stuff, so that will be good. And then I've been working in, I think it's a Dina Wakley art journal, and I wanted something with more individual papers. So I've been watching a bit of Vicky Bouton's, live processes, and I just thought that these would be really good to be able to create. So I got the junk journal. Sorry about the glare there. So I got the junk journal, and I think that does include, some pages and some of these tabs already, but then I added to it with these refills so that I've got quite a few. So this is the mixed media paper, and then this is the watercolor paper. So I'll be really keen to kind of try that and get a bit more messy, a bit more exploratory in my creating, because I'm a bit nervous still when it comes to mixed media. So I wanted a place to kind of really be able to play, and I felt like a bound book is kind of a bit a bit restrictive. So yeah, I feel like this might be a good answer to that problem. So then I also grabbed, now this is an old kit and it will say what it is. And so it's from May 2007. And the thing that kind of caught my eye was these die cuts by Shamal. And I hope it says on the back which collection it is, but I'm not sure if it does. No, I'm not sure, but I loved this bear. I don't know, I've been, this is, again, like I said, it's an old collection, but this bear really got me. I've still got all of my, most of my son's baby album that I want to do. So I've only really done maybe 2 weeks of his first year of life. So yeah, I thought I'd grab a few older things, grab this kit and use it for his baby album, because I really like these colors. So I'll just give a quick flip through. There's these stickers. So I mean, these are really versatile. They're a foam thicker in gold, so they'll be great. And then there's this Dear Lizzie paper, lovely day, with all these cut apart tags, and this is nice on the back here. And then again, another lovely day. I've actually never seen this collection. So yeah, this is older than, actually this is probably about when I got started in scrapbooking. I think I did take it up about May 2007. So there's that paper. Again, I just really like the colours. I thought they'd work well for kind of a baby album, but for a lot of things. Hooray is today, just love. Oh, I bet that's gorgeous. Again, another lovely day paper. This stripe. Oh, that's a bit much on the eye. But yeah, this stripe will work with a lot of things. And then a really neutral grey with a white dot. And then this kind of gingham paper. Oh, and then this bunny, super cute. Bunny love. Oh, and then these stripes are lovely. And then this specialty paper. Sorry about the glare again. It's late afternoon here in Melbourne, but it's quite dark in my room. So again, this specialty paper by Chanel. And then there's a bunch of wooden pieces by Corbett Creations, so some wood veneer, so they'll come in handy. I think there's like the word baby and some stars, and yeah, just some fun little bits and pieces there. So that's that older kit that I picked up. And then once, sorry, I'll just put that down on the floor. And then once the kit actually got announced for this month, I thought, oh, I have to get more of this collection. So I jumped online and just grabbed what was kind of remaining that wasn't included in the kit. So yeah, because this kit for October is based around the Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route. So I've got these charms. Again, another project that I've got in my mind is around doing some, you know, I think it's pronounced cryptic books. So yeah, I kind of wanted some charms, and I might make some tassels and stuff, but yeah, because I wouldn't use this on my scrapbooking, but yeah, I'm gonna maybe explore some new things. And then these stickers, and yeah, the colors are just so bright and vibrant and beautiful. You're here in Melbourne, we're going into summer, so these colors will be perfect, even though it is kind of, it's quite travel themed, but you know, I think you can use it a lot, you know, for just other everyday memory keeping. So I got the chipboard, the 12 by 12 chipboard sheet, and I haven't had one of these before, so I like all of those. I like the dimension that chipboard provides. The kit comes with, the mixed media portion of the kit comes with these Delusions paints. So I'm super excited to get these. I've never had Delusions paints before. They seem very bright, but I'll be interested to try them on my new Vicky Bouton paper. But yeah, these acrylic paints will be really good to add to my collection because I don't have any, so that's good. And I like these little size containers because I don't think I'd use the bigger ones. So, sorry, I could have done some of this unwrapping, but we have this heart from Charms Creations. So I just used the one that we got in our last kit on the weekend, and I really loved it, so I've actually gone ahead and ordered some, so I might do a bit of an unboxing with that as soon as it arrives. And then this blue piece, I think they punch the sequins out of this, so it's like the excess piece of the sequin, so it's a great use. Good to be able to use it on something else. We'll have to come up with some good ideas of how to use that. And then, oh my god, these enamel dots are just so gorgeous. They're, I'm not sure how much you can make out of that because it's probably quite glary. But they're all different shapes, so dots and hearts, but they're really glittery underneath there, and they're just gorgeous. And then we have the ephemera. So there's 41 pieces in this ephemera pack. So they're awesome. Then we've got the puffy stickers, so the word phrases. So, you know, lots of different phrases you can use there, and they will obviously, you know, to create a title, it'll be great to be able to bring in, you know, the large and smaller fonts to be able to create some fun titles. And then we have another puffy. Oh, these are really interesting feeling. I don't know how to describe them. They're puffy, but they're kind of really plasticky. But yeah, there's lots of fun little sayings and bits and pieces there. Lots of hearts and circles that you can use as enamel dots. Those type of things. So that's that. And then this alpha sticker from Kaiser Craft. And I do like this size of these alphas. They're quite good. This is like a really, it's probably not coming off like that, but it is actually a navy. It's probably coming across a bit black, but yeah, it's actually a navy, so that will be great. And then so we've got these hearts, and that's paper, what was it, paper number 4 maybe? And then this blue kind of, you know, with a lighter blue geometric kind of print in the background. All of these birds. I don't know whether I'd fussy cut this or not, but oh no, I will definitely use this side. I don't know which way it goes, but look at those blues. Yeah, I think that'd be great for, you know, documenting beach photos or, you know, horizon shots or something like that. So yeah, I think that's really lovely. Again, this floral, oh, I have been fussy cutting a lot. I fussy cut a lot of paper from the Daydream collection, and I'm not sure if I'll fussy cut this. I think I probably will, because I'm not too drawn to this B side of the paper. So I probably will go ahead and maybe fussy cut these florals to add to the ephemera kind of pieces. And this one's lovely. I think you could use it as a background. I'm not sure that I'm too drawn to it. You know, having a lot of boys, I'll have to work out whether I'd use that. And then the blue. And these are still all part of Paige Evans' collection. I'm not sure if it includes anything else outside of Go the Scenic Route. And then this is just a, yeah, I mean that pattern on the back is lovely. And then there's also this ledger, write it down paper. There feels like a lot of paper in this kit this month. What have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 papers. Yeah, so that feels like quite a lot. And then I love all the cutter parts because I do use them for project life. Yeah, this is lovely. And, you know, use them as extra ephemera pieces. You can always cut, you know, these butterflies out and use them individually instead of as a square. Same with this heart. So there's that. And then this is a beautiful pinky red, and it's got a light pink heart pattern on there. And when I saw this paper, I was like, yep, I really want to just cut it apart and use it as maybe on a grid layout. It's kind of already got these, you know, stitched elements around it. So, you know, I was thinking I can either machine stitch over the top or maybe do some hand stitching. But yeah, I think, you know, cutting these out, roughing up the edges and making some sort of, grid kind of layout. I'm not overly drawn to this, this print, but you know, maybe as a border piece or something like that. But then this, yeah, I mean this grid, this pink grid is would be good as a background. Oh, this is lovely. I like this floral. It's really sweet. That'd be pretty hard to fussy cut, but maybe. And then this beautiful kind of orange into yellow. Yeah, that'd be nice to use as a background, I think. And this lighter blue with a sort of geometric pattern in the background. And this more, you know, pink watercolor paper. That's lovely. There's a similar one, you know, different colors obviously, but in the Daydream collection. And I used that as a background paper the other day and it came up beautiful. So yeah, that'd be nice and easy to use. And this beautiful quilted, this quilt kind of paper. That's lovely. How many times can I say lovely today? They are. I mean, Paige Evans, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. Not sure what paper this is. I know it's still part of Go the Scenic Route. Yeah, you could cut apart those tags if you wanted. There's some good little sayings there. Or use this side as a geometric print. And then I love this floral, the blue background and the floral. Yeah, I could probably see myself using the border. I don't know, lots you can do with that. Oh, and then this is lovely though. Oh, I wish I had two of this. Yeah, this watercolor blues. Just beautiful. So that is it for the kit and all my other pieces. I did go a bit crazy, but you know, I think the thing is, while I'm in lockdown at the moment, I am ordering a few things online. You know, it's something to look forward to. It changes the day. It's good. So yeah, I did go ahead and obviously order more, and yeah, I've got a few things still arriving from some different places. But yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.